Hello, hello. So, yeah, I would say let's start. Hi, Lance. Great you're here. So, I would say we're gonna start right ahead. So, yeah. Okay. 3 ways on how to set default prices in Productor. Yeah, as some already have seen in the community, I wrote how to give default prices, but sometimes it's easier just to show it. Yeah, and so if no questions, I will just start. Okay, so on create page, yeah, the default thing you can do to have default prices is just change your prices to something you want to have, like 16.95, 16.99, whatever, and then you can save the whole configuration in published settings. This stores all your keys, your listing, colors, and prices under default. So if you open it again next time and create a new listing, then the default is called again and all prices are applied again automatically to the whole stuff. So that's just one way, and it's well, I would say limited, because you can just save one setting and one default. Sometimes it's okay, but I guess you want to have multiple options. So I'm not using it personally, so I use my template, and that's type number 2. So you can choose, you can create a new default by selecting some stuff here. Yeah, setting some prices. However, you're typing them and give it a name, min price, and saving it as Productor draft, and it stores the same as before your whole configuration as a Productor draft. And this gives you the opportunity to save multiple drafts. For example, I've just stored min price, and I go further down and select some max price, for example, yeah. Whatever how you call them, yes, you're free to call it as you like. So it's my max price configuration, and save it as Productor draft 2. So that's it. If you reopen Productor draft the next time, you can select your previously stored drafts and reapply them. So we can choose min price, apply it with images. So if you want to apply a default image or similar, but it doesn't make sense. So it's most commonly better to use without images, but with text, for example. So if your base text, like the text you're always using, yeah, and you can also choose without text and without images. So just the product configuration is applied. If I choose now min price, it takes some seconds until he has applied the whole product configuration, color configuration, and so on. Then you can say, it's still working. Now it's done. So you can see here that it's already applied our min price configuration. And if I choose max price, this time I'm using without text and images, it applies our max price configuration. So scroll up again and you see on standard t-shirt our max price configuration. This is option number 2, yeah? And yeah, you can also apply it to existing designs, for example, or whatever you like. So for not just only for new designs, even for existing designs, if you're expanding your products to other marketplaces, for example. Like you have just created a t-shirt and wanted to check if it's going through the how we call it OMA, Amazon Grandma, for example. So everything's trademark checked and you're safe with the listing and not rejected by Amazon. So in that case, sometimes makes sense to just submit one product per marketplace. So if you go back to edit and if it's published and you go back to edit it again and to create some new products for that product, you can open the product again, reload the page, or you don't even reload the page. I'm just showing it to you. If you imagine it's an existing product, you can select your draft and apply the product configuration. Then all your prices, previously enabled products and whatever are applied to that new or existing listing. Yes, that's option number 2. I'm showing a different template I'm using often with only my preferred products enabled. And so you see only dark colors, for example, are enabled here because this is my preferred selection for new listings. But anyway, next up, option number 3. So you can, of course, use following function. So let me check here first. Yeah, so you can apply, for example, one price to all products. Like if you have 1995 and want to apply that to the whole product here, you can just click that button and 1995 is applied to all here. So I can do it again and you see 1995 here. That's easy, yeah? I think so. And option number 4, I prefer option number 4, for example, because I just need to add the royalties I want and click, for example, to product, which adds my desired royalties or price rounded by 99 to the product. But I'm using that one here, which applies the royalties to all products, not only to this only product here, but to all products. For example, I click it here, $2, and you see it's going through every enabled product and applies the royalties. 19.99 and 17.99, and price is rounded by 99. Yeah, this was option number 4, to be honest. Yeah, but it's, as you see, it's just easy as 2 clicks, and I think it might improve your experience. If you prefer, just one thing, yeah. If you want to apply the color selection Yeah, like all dark colors. Just select less than 10 colors here. You can also see the color count over on the right. You can also apply that to all products, and it's going through all products and applies these colors to all products. Yeah, just said it too often. So yeah, copy paste colors. I don't have to show you, I think. Yes, that's how the 3 or 4 price options can be used, might be used. Yeah. So if there are any questions, I'm here to answer. Please tell me some if you have. Okay, no questions. My pleasure, Lance, my pleasure. Any other questions, please? Okay. No questions so far, so I stop here and thank you for your listening. Thank you that you watched that video and give a thumbs up and, have fun. Have a nice evening. Bye.